Qingdao Honest Electric Drive Equipment Company Limited, located in Qingdao, China, founded in 2016, a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of electric drive systems for industrial vehicles. The company deeply explores the demands of both light load and heavy load full scene applications and provides reliable drive solutions for industrial mobile equipment with the core technologies. It has established a comprehensive electric drive product portfolio with core offerings including motors, drivers, electromagnetic brakes, and steering wheel assemblies. Additionally, the company has launched heavy-duty differential wheel sets, further expanding its service capabilities in the heavy-duty sector. Its products are widely compatible with various types of mobile industrial vehicles. The heavy-duty differential wheel sets are specifically designed for heavy-duty scenarios such as heavy-duty warehousing and material handling, complementing vertical and horizontal steering wheels to comprehensively meet the power requirements of industrial vehicles across different tonnage ranges. To achieve the technological leap from high efficiency to precision and from conventional to heavy load applications, the company is equipped with more than 60 world first-class CNC machining equipment. This includes Haas machining centers, 4-axis linkage machining centers, full-function turning centers, imported CNC lathes, high-speed CNC hopping machines, and 9-axis 5-linkage high-speed CNC gear grinding machines, ensuring the machining accuracy of the key structures of core components. In the inspection process, a dual quality control platform for conventional plus heavy-duty operations is established to pursue excellence. The company is equipped with multiple measuring, analyzing, and testing devices, including coordinate measuring machines, metallographic analyzers, Vickers hardness testers, and dynamic balance measuring instruments, which fully control the dimensional tolerances, heat treatment status, and electrical performance of structural components. A gear measuring center has been introduced to accurately detect key parameters such as tooth profile, tooth direction, pitch, runout, and common normal line with a measurement accuracy of VDI Class 1. To enhance heavy-duty testing capabilities, the company is equipped with a large load test bench that can simulate heavy-duty working conditions to conduct continuous load and overload tests on differential wheel sets and large tonnage steering wheels. Its strong processing and testing capabilities serve as the core guarantee for on-time order delivery and stable quality. The company boasts strong technical capabilities and prioritizes the development of core technical talents. Core departments including R&D, quality control, production, and marketing are staffed by professional teams with over 10 years of industry experience. It integrates superior industry resources and focuses on the development of electric drive systems. Through independent innovation and technology absorption, the company has overcome key core technologies in R&D, production, and assembly, forming a product portfolio centered on vertical steering wheels, horizontal steering wheels, and heavy-duty differential wheels. These products can meet the needs of electric industrial vehicles with loads ranging from hundreds kilograms to dozens of tons. In terms of market application, Honest Edrive can quickly respond to the needs of customers in different industries, relying on its high-quality products, information-based inventory management, and sufficient reserves of key materials. It especially provides customized technical solutions for customers in the heavy-duty field to ensure stable product quality. Currently, its services have penetrated multiple sectors, including material handling, automated warehousing, construction robots, agricultural robots, and heavy equipment manufacturing. The products have been applied in bulk by many first-tier main manufacturers, with cooperative customers spread across the country. Honest Edrive firmly ranks among the top domestic suppliers of steering wheel system solutions for industrial vehicles and is expanding into overseas markets with an international perspective. Since the establishment, The company has adhered to innovation-driven development, continuously optimized product configurations and performance, and accurately met the evolving needs of users. Currently, it has obtained ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, CE Safety certification, and High-Tech Enterprise certification. It has also won honors such as Specialized, Refined, Peculiar, and Innovative Enterprise of Shandong Province in technology-based small and medium-sized enterprise with a total of more than 50 authorized patents, earning wide recognition in the industry. Looking ahead, Honest Edrive will continue to focus on technological innovation, strengthen product competitiveness as a key priority, and concentrate on the fields of AGV steering wheels and heavy-duty differential wheels, committed to building into the preferred brand, providing global users with more competitive electric drive system solutions and services,